Hi, this is Salesforce Jen, and I'm talking about an accessibility learn and practice package that I made. This is one of the last videos in the series, so if you have missed it and you need more context, you can go back to the beginning. But this time I'm going to talk about our page where it says Advanced Practice. So first, if I was at the home page, I can go to Advanced Practice. Again, the site is intentionally looks bad for practicing your accessibility, things that you can do. So we already talked about alt text and we talked about page structure. Now we're going to go into advanced practice. This is not for everybody, but I just wanted to show you if you're interested in code, there are some things that you can do in Experience Cloud to update areas. For instance, if I can't make this bigger, I can use CSS. So first I'm going to go back to the builder on the top right so I can access my components here. And right here, I am telling you what to do. So the first thing I'm going to do, this exercise is just copy this code because we're going to use it. And I have you going up to the top left where it says theme. And right here, you can click this button and it says edit CSS. You're going to get a warning because you need to be very careful about overriding the CSS. We're going to say yes and use overrides. Okay, and that's how you get there. But what I'm going to show you that is we're going to make these menu items bigger. Okay, that's the only thing targeting in my CSS, which is the code. I'm going to paste that here. Then I'm going to hit save. And now this is larger. And that for accessibility is very important to be able to see. So let's go back to the edit CSS. We're going to take that out. And up here, we're going to see the menu get smaller. See that? So there are just some little things you can do. You're going to need to know about coding to do this. But Experience Cloud does have ways for you to adjust everything in order to make it more accessible. I do have advanced videos on my YouTube channel for this.